Hey everyone, this week we are going to cover how to create expense report by month and by suppliers, and how to customize the report and how to schedule to send it off to your client, whether you want to, you want it to send monthly, weekly, or daily. We are on a sample company file. So to create the report, we're going to click on the report. And then we're just going to search expenses by supplier summary. So as you can see, this is just a summary of the report. It's all your suppliers listed in here, and then the total you've paid it. So we are going to customize this report and schedule to send off this to our client on a monthly basis every Monday. So customizing it. So as you can see, you can do so many. You can customize it in so many ways. So if you have time, you can play with all of these customization. But today we're going to cover few customization tips to this video. So under general, we're just going to change to last quarter. And then under rows and column, we're just going to run this report by month. And under filter, we're just going to say suppliers. Now here you have an option to run reports for a specific suppliers or for all the suppliers. So in this tutorial, we're just going to cover all. And then under the header and footer, we're just going to name this expense report. So expense report, we're just going to say monthly expense report. Monthly expense report by suppliers. And we're just going to run the report. So here is the last quarter's report by month, your expense report. So as you can see in January, and you can compare your months. You can compare each month and see where your expenses are at, and you can also see which suppliers you paid it, and just go by month and amount and kind of compare this report. And here's the total you've paid for the last quarter to all of these suppliers. Okay, great. So we're gonna now save our customization. So I'm gonna create a new group called Clients Monthly Reports. And then I'm just going to add my group and then save it. If I wanted to go back under my custom report, so there's two ways you can go. You can go back to report list, or you could just click on report and you would be ending up in this page. So because we saved that a custom report, so my report is under the custom report. So by clicking on the custom report, here is my report that I just created it. So monthly expense by suppliers, and it is grouped under clients monthly report. So I'm just gonna, you see how it says email and schedule. So I'm gonna actually schedule this to go to my client on first Monday of each month. Under the action, you can export this into PDF, Excel, or delete it if you no longer need it. But we're just going to click on edit. Now, if you do want to change them in the report title, it's up to you. But to me, this is monthly expense by suppliers, and you don't need to choose the group or anything. And then you're just gonna set email schedule on, and then turn that on. And then here I'm just gonna say monthly. So every first month on the first Monday of the month, it's going to go to the client. Now, if you do want to schedule when does it have to end, you can. Otherwise, just leave that as it is until anything is changed. So I'm just going to change this to, I'm just going to send this to client. I put my email address. And then if you do need to CC to the other partner, you can also CC the same report to the second partner. And then you can just basically customize your your message in here. And again, the financial report for long for success planning. So you can also change this title or the subject, and that's it. So once this is done, now here's the other little feature. So attach the report as an Excel file. You can also do that. Otherwise, it's just going to go in PDF. So I'll just save and close this. So now, as you can see under the custom report, it says every month. So this report is going to the client on Monday of every month. So I hope you guys find this report helpful. Let me know if you have any question. I'd love to get feedback from you guys. Thank you.